Hey everyone, my name is John.
Hi, I'm Emma. It's nice to meet you.
We're good friends.
Yes, and we talk about simple life topics.
Normal, dealy things.
Things everyone experiences.
Today, we're talking about phones
More specifically, buying a SIM card
and choosing the right data plan.
for your phone.
So, Emma, how's your morning going?
Pretty good. I woke up a little late, though.
Oh, really?
Yeah, my alarm didn't help much.
I know that feeling.
Did you have coffee yet?
Yes, thank goodness.
Coffee saves mornings.
Absolutely.
You know, yesterday I helped my cousin buy a SIM card.
Oh, interesting.
She just moved here.
That can be stressful.
Very. Everything is new for her.
Was it confusing?
Yes, she had so many questions.
Like what?
Like, what is data?
Oh, wow, a very common question.
So let's start there.
Good idea.
A SIM card is a small card.
Very small.
You put it inside your phone.
It connects your phone to the network.
Without a SIM card,
You can't call,
you can't text.
and you can't use mobile internet.
My cousin looked at the SIM card and said, "It's tiny."
Everyone says that.
She was scared to drop it.
I was scared too, my first time.
Next question she asked was about plans.
Prepaid or postpaid?
Exactly.
Let's explain that simply.
A prepaid means you pay first.
Then you use the service.
When the balance ends, it stops.
No surprise bills.
Very safe for beginners.
Postpaid is different.
You use the service first,
Then you pay later
usually at the end of the month.
with a bill.
My cousin said, "I don't like bills."
Smart girl.
So she chose prepaid.
After that, we talked about data.
Data is very important,
It lets you use the internet,
like Google,
YouTube,
Maps.
social media.
I asked her, "How do you use your phone?"
That's the best question.
She said, "I watch videos every day."
Oh, wow, that uses a lot of data.
Yes, videos finish data fast.
Very fast.
I explained that light users need less data.
Like people who only text and call.
They might need 1 or 2 gigabytes.
But heavy users,
Like video watchers or people on Instagram all day,
they need more.
maybe 10 gigabytes or more. She was surprised.
What did she say?
She said, "Data disappears so quickly?"
Yes, it does.
Then there's internet speed.
Oh, yes, speed matters.
Cheap plans are sometimes slow.
Fast plans usually cost more.
You need balance.
Coverage is also important.
Very important.
Some networks work great in cities.
But not in small towns.
I learned that the hard way.
What happened?
I went on a road trip, I remember.
Sounds fun.
It was until my signal disappeared.
Oh no, concerned.
No internet, no maps.
That's scary.
I had to stop and ask people.
Like old times. So always check coverage maps.
Most companies have them online.
It helps a lot.
Another thing people forget is calls and texts.
True.
Some plans have unlimited calls.
Some don't.
Some charge extra for international calls.
My parents care about calls more than data.
Same here.
They love talking on the phone.
It's nice, actually.
Price is always a big topic.
Yes, everyone asks, how much?
Cheap is good.
But not always best.
Very cheap plans can have problems.
Slow internet,
Dropped calls.
bad service.
Customer support matters too.
Definitely.
When something goes wrong, you want help.
Not waiting forever.
My cousin asked, "Can I change my plan later?"
Good question.
Prepaid plans are flexible.
You can change next month.
Contracts are different.
Yes, contracts lock you in.
For 1 or 2 years.
I don't like that.
Me neither.
Buying a SIM card can feel scary,
Especially the first time,
but it gets easier.
when you understand your needs.
Let's make it super simple.
Okay, step 1.
Know how you use your phone.
Step 2.
Choose prepaid or postpaid.
Step 3.
Pick enough data.
Step 4.
Check coverage and price.
And step 5.
Ask questions.
Don't feel shy.
It's your money.
At the end of the day,
A good SIM card makes life easier.
you stay connected,
You feel confident?
you can call for help anytime. My cousin was very happy later.
That's great.
She said, "Now I understand my phone."
That's the goal.
So if you're buying a SIM card today,
Take your time,
think about your real life.
not someone else's life.
Phones are part of our daily routine,
From morning alarms,
to late night messages.
the right plan matters.
Thanks for listening with us today.
We hope this helped you.
See you next time.
Bye.